Folding at Home is a distributed computing project aimed to help scientists develop new therapeutics to a variety of diseases by the means of simulating protein dynamics. This includes the process of protein folding and the movements of proteins, and is reliant on the simulations run on volunteers' personal computers.
Folding at Home is a distributed computing project. And for those of you who have already dabbled in that, think of most recently the SETI at Home search for extraterrestrials. And for those who are really old school, think back to the late 90s and the distributed.net search for RC5 keys. We're taking work products and we're throwing them out to thousands of CPUs and GPUs out there to help Folding at Home do its thing. They are helping scientists model proteins in a variety of ways, simulating this protein dynamics, how the protein folds itself and configures itself, all in order to find new therapeutics, new pathways. And one of the things that we're doing here is attacking COVID-19 to lend our CPU and GPU to that battle. But Folding at Home is doing stuff like Alzheimer's research, cancer research, and a whole bunch of other things to help humanity. So the process of folding proteins and the movement of proteins, it's all to find this attack angle, to model this thing in 3D and find a way for a therapeutic to get in there. And it's all reliant on having this massive amount of CPU and GPU to do this 3D math so the researchers can find this new attack